Welcome to the wrap-up of Chapter 2, where we solidify the core foundation for successful AI adoption. I'll speak to you not just as a consultant, but as a leader who understands that even the most advanced AI cannot deliver value without rock-solid groundwork. Today is about ensuring your data and technology house is in order. Consolidating data and tech readiness isn't a technical footnote. It's the bedrock of your AI strategy. By the end of this session, every executive here will recognize why a unified data foundation and a prepared tech stack are non-negotiable for sustainable AI-driven growth. Look at your organization's data right now. Is it fragmented across teams and systems? If so, those data silos are creating blind spots. When each department guards its own spreadsheet or database, you end up with multiple versions of the truth. Decisions get made on partial information, leading to mistakes and missed opportunities. I've seen promising AI pilots fail because the algorithms were fed inconsistent, siloed data. We're not going to let that happen. Breaking down silos and consolidating data is about housekeeping, but also a strategic move to eliminate inconsistency and empower leadership with complete, accurate information. If your data is scattered, your vision is scattered. Now imagine the opposite scenario. One single source of truth that everyone trusts. When you consolidate data, suddenly your analysts, managers, and AI systems are all drawing from the same well. This unified data foundation means reports that used to take weeks now run in minutes. Your AI models train on comprehensive, high-quality data, revealing patterns you would otherwise miss. As a result, decisions become faster and more fact-based, and executives sleep better at night knowing that everyone, from the CFO to the frontline manager, is looking at the same numbers. A unified data foundation replaces doubt with confidence. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. Data alone isn't enough. We must ask, is our technology ready for AI? Many mid-sized companies discover their legacy systems buckle under the demands of data-intensive processing. If you're trying to run modern AI software on yesterday's infrastructure, expect problems. We need to evaluate whether your servers, networks, and software can scale for AI workloads. This might mean embracing cloud or hybrid architectures to get the flexibility and power we need. And let's be clear, every new tool must integrate seamlessly and securely. There's no point consolidating data if your systems can't talk to each other or if you're opening security gaps. A thorough tech readiness assessment today prevents painful bottlenecks and breaches tomorrow. Modern problems require modern solutions. To support AI, we often have to modernize the tech stack. That means updating your data architecture, maybe moving from on-premise servers to scalable cloud platforms, or deploying a modern data warehouse that can handle billions of records without breaking a sweat. Companies are embracing services like cloud storage and processing not just for convenience, but because they offer near-infinite scalability on demand. Real-time data pipelines replace batch uploads, so information flows instantly where it's needed. And as we modernize, we double down on security, encryption, access controls, monitoring. We're not just swapping out old hardware for new, but also redesigning for a future where speed, scale, and security are prerequisites to play. The good news is, you don't have to do this alone or from scratch. The market is full of powerful tools ready to help. Tech giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offer integrated platforms where you can store data, clean it, and apply AI algorithms all in one environment. We have specialized data consolidation solutions like Snowflake for data warehousing or Databricks for unified analytics that plug right into your stack to break down silos. On the AI side, frameworks and services from OpenAI to TensorFlow and AI suites from the likes of IBM and Azure are readily available to jumpstart your initiatives. The point is, whether it's data integration or machine learning, there's a vendor out there who's spent billions solving the exact problem you face. Smart executives take advantage of these platforms to save time and reduce risk. Why reinvent the wheel when the tools are at your fingertips? Let me share a brief example from the field. One mid-sized retailer we advised had customer data in their CRM, sales data in their POS system, and inventory data in a separate warehouse database. Sound familiar? We help them consolidate these into a single cloud data platform and implement an AI-driven analytics tool. With all data in one place, their AI could finally see the whole picture. The company started accurately predicting which products would be hot next month, and accordingly, the outcome was a 20% reduction in excess inventory carrying costs and shelves stocked with the right products at the right time. Equally important, managers stopped spending hours reconciling reports and started focusing on strategy. This is the real payoff of getting your data and tech act together. We've talked tech and data, but let's not forget the human element. Even the best system fails if your people aren't on board. Aligning people and processes is the next piece of the puzzle. This means training your teams to actually use those shiny new dashboards and AI insights in their day-to-day work. It means executives and managers leading by example, basing decisions on data, not just gut feel or hierarchy. When leadership consistently asks, "What do the data say?" it sends a message that a data-driven culture isn't just encouraged, it's expected. Also, ensure every AI project has a clear business objective attached and that all stakeholders understand what success looks like. When your people, processes, and goals all align with your data and tech strategy, you create an organization that has advanced tools, but also knows how to use them to win. Before we conclude, let's cement these key insights. First, consolidate your data. The era of tolerating silos and fragmented information is over. It's too costly and too slow for the pace of business today. Second, modernize your infrastructure so it can handle the data and algorithms of tomorrow. Don't let outdated tech be the Achilles heel of your AI ambitions. Third, use the platforms and partnerships available. There's no prize for doing it the hard way. Use the best tools on the market. Learn from others who've done it. Finally, remember the people. The fanciest analytics platform in the world means nothing if your team ignores it. A culture that trusts and uses data is a culture that wins. These 4 takeaways are your mandate as leaders to position your company for AI-powered success. So what should you do now? It starts with an honest assessment of where your data and technology stand. Identify the gaps. Maybe you have more silos than you thought, or your network isn't up to the task. Then, map out a roadmap for building an AI-ready infrastructure, step by step. Remember, you don't have to figure it all out internally. Knowing when to bring in expert guidance is a hallmark of great leadership. Our team at HIGTM has helped companies just like yours navigate this journey. I invite you to book a consultation with higtm.com. Let's talk about your specific challenges and craft a plan to ensure your data is consolidated, your tech is ready, and your organization is poised to win in the AI era. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions and the discussion.